Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can add a TXT record to your Cloudflare. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're going to be in Cloudflare, you want to click on the DNS, and then you're going to have records here. Then you want to press add a record, and right here you're going to have type. So when you're going to scroll, you're going to have TXT, and let's say name is going to be your site, and then website title is here, has a record with the content, and here you're gonna paste the content. I don't know if you have it from Pinterest or somewhere, or just the link, just paste it here, right? And click save. And then you're gonna hit right here, TXT, and you got it. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day, and goodbye.